going on, YouTube? This is Nate with Nate Dog Auto Customs. Back with you. Got this Stratus lift. I want to do a review. This is the company here, YouTube. This series here is a Stratus 7000E. This is the control unit. Walk over here, YouTube. Show you the lift. This has a rated lift capacity of 7,000 pounds. Give y'all a walk around. All right, let's get down to the meat and potatoes of this thing. What I think about it, I like it. I love it. Give a shout out to Sue over there at Stratus. The A1 customer service guys, telling you. For the ones, your DIY guys that's looking for something to put in their garage. If your concrete is not thick enough, I believe you have to have a thickness of about 4 inches. I did a test hit and this concrete is not thick enough. So I was going to run a 2-post lift, and luckily I had to test before I got it, but this here, you'll get plenty of height. And with my ceiling height, I'm pretty much, I believe it's like 9.5 foot ceiling, so it's plenty enough room. You can get about 40 inches of lift height out of this, possibly more if you use the blocks that come along with it. These are the blocks that come along with it, not the discs. Those for my pinch welds on certain cars, so those was optional. But these are the blocks. Come with 8 blocks, and you probably can get about another 2 to 3 more inches of height out of that. So just roughly say 40 and some change, 41 inches of lift height out of it inside the control unit here. This is what pretty much you're getting. Hydraulic lines. It's easy to set up. I'm gonna do a little demonstration for you guys. Just turn it on and you'll see that green light pop up. This is for your safety switch. This is pretty much a safety feature that they got if you lowering the lift. You got your lock positions. You're down and you're up. So give you guys pretty much a little demonstration here. And if you can come back to here, you see that lock position? Just press it and it will go down to the lock position. On and turn it off. There we go. Give y'all a walk around just to see plenty enough height. Trust me. This is tailor-made for a shop like this, home garage. I put these strips on here myself to get traction when I bring cars on top. You know, especially if it rains, you don't want it slipping. with Sue. Pretty much, there could be an idea with you guys to run down that strip with some of your other coming lifts. This is the locks here. Let y'all see it on this side. The only thing you're gonna have to get this bolted down to keep it from sliding. And the only I could say bad thing about this lift, it doesn't have no anchor points. I'm quite sure I probably can drill a hole down into the base, but I didn't want to do that. So walk you around here. So this is pretty much where you will have it if you was putting it on a dolly, if you was trying to move it. And this is what I have it linked to. See, I drilled the hole in the concrete there and ran a bolt and just slam it on top just to keep it from moving. So far, so good. This is the little dolly that it comes with. And you probably can't see them little wheels behind there. Them little wheels goes here. But tell me what y'all think, YouTube. Well, I recommend this lift. Yeah, this is A1 steak sauce here, Jack. You got my stamp of approval. Guys, go to Stratus, www.stratus.com. This is a 7000E. I believe they have a model. It's the same lift. That's a 9000E. It's rated. So far, so good, YouTube. Get you one. I'm about to let this thing down. Hit the on button. You see where that down button is, YouTube? I want to hit it. For some people, that noise can be kind of annoying, but hey, it's a safety feature. So I can get past that. Takes a minute, YouTube. You want to do it till it fully catches. Come back over here. Turn it off. That simple. And when you put an oil in, you want to put it here. This is where you keep your oil. So I got this oil here. This hydraulic oil, the ISO AW32. I should have went with the 46, but this works just fine. They have different blends for different seasons, like, you know, for the colder months. But tell me what you think, YouTube. Sue. Give a shout out to Sue. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, YouTube. And if you're interested in one of them lifts, just tell them Dog sent you from Nate Dog Auto Customs. They can get you hooked up with crating, and the price of this lift, you have to, once you buy the lift, you're going to have to get residential delivery, and which is another $100. So it was probably right about 2,500, a little over that, was shipping and coming straight to your door, residential delivery. But tell me what you think, YouTube. Go over here and close this up. Got a little latch. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, YouTube. And I'm out.